I didn't start digital marketing because I wanted to become a businesswoman. No, I started digital marketing because I didn't want to be stuck in the same place in a year from now, financially and in every other way possible. Oh, work, payday, bills, you name it, like everything that goes along with only getting one salary. And then looking, okay, at whatever is left of my salary and, like thinking, is this really it? I didn't want to live the rest of my life that way. I have dreams of, helping family, uh, doing a bunch of other things, being debt free, etc. Like, I genuinely just wanted like extra breathing room, like um, more financial freedom. And I want to retire early. I want to help out my family. I have like so many other goals that cannot fit into a drive-through salary. Like your salary comes, into your bank account and then it drives through your bank account. Like, yeah, I can't do that. Yeah, and like sometimes I wonder like how can like so much depend on only one salary. And yeah, I wanted like another option. And that is why I started looking into digital marketing. And yeah, I'm still learning. I'm still figuring things out, but I am making progress. But I know one thing that's for sure. I don't want to be in the same place next year, financially and in every other way. And I don't want to look back years from now with regret. And I also don't want to look back, years from now and realize that I wanted like a certain type of life, but I never had the guts to go after it. I don't want to live a life of regret. And if this feels like you, comment info and I will send you the free Freedom Formula Blueprint.